very good morning to you children. In the last video session we have learnt about high frequency words. Also there was a worksheet of a cloud in which you have to search those high frequency words. Okay, so now at the end, okay, we are going to today learn a new topic, okay, a new concept that is called a story structure. Okay children, it is called a story structure. Now I will just show you what is actually the story structure. Now everyone can see this. Okay, there is a boy, there is a small boy, isn't it? So here this boy in the head portion, okay, this is its head. Yes or no? Hairs, eyes, then smiley is given. Yes or no? So this is nothing but beginning of this boy's body part. Okay, that means ये जो उसका body part है, okay, this is the beginning. That means first part of his body part, that is head. Okay, then the next one, the middle portion includes the stomach area and hands. This is called the middle portion. That means middle area. Okay, so at the end you can see here there are legs. So this is at the end. That means you can just verify beginning, middle and end. Okay children? So in this today's story we are going to learn about beginning, middle and end. In today's story, we are going to learn about beginning of the story, what happens, we are going to learn that. Then middle, what happens then after beginning, what happens in the middle, we are going to see that. And then at the end, what happened, what solution did they find to their problem, we are going to see at the end. Okay, so here children, I will just read a book. Okay, this is your lesson for today, The Bee and the Dove. Okay, I will just read it shortly. Okay, and then I will let you know or what is the story about. Okay, I am just reading it out. A bee, a caterpillar and a grasshopper were friends. They loved to play together in a meadow full of flowers and trees. The meadow was near a river. One day, while playing, the bee fell into the river. His wings got wet and could not fly. The caterpillar and the grasshopper tried to help him, but he kept flowing down the river. The bee was very scared. He could see a crocodile coming to eat him. He tried to get out of water. A white dove was sitting on a mango tree. She saw the bee trying to get out. She got an idea. She took a leaf, held it in her bag and flew to the bee. She carried the bee in the leaf. She dropped him on the ground. The bee shook the water from his wings and flew away. A few days later, the dove was sleeping on a tree. A naughty little boy with a sling came on a bicycle. The bee saw him. The boy pointed his slingshot at the dove. Just as he was about to hit the bird, the bee bit him. Okay, the boy cried with pain and ran away. The dove thanked the bee. From that day on, all of them became very good friends. This story is taken by Tania Majumdar. Okay, so I will just explain you children. I'll just start reading once again and I'll explain you accordingly. A bee and a caterpillar and a grasshopper were friends. Now a bee, you know, honeybee. A caterpillar also, you know, who eats leaves. And a grasshopper, okay, it is also green in color, okay. These all three were friends. Who were friends? Bee, caterpillar and grasshopper. They love to play. Even you love to play, no children? Like your friends, you play with your friends, isn't it? So here, these all three were friends, okay, and they love to play along with them. They love to play together in a meadow. Meadow is a place, children, where there is lot of grass. Okay, मतलब meadow मतलब एक ऐसी जगह होती है, MEADOW, meadow means एक ऐसी जगह होती है जहाँ बहुत सारा ग्रास होता है, जहाँ पे गाय खाने के लिए आती है, ओके, गोट, शिप, वो खाने के लिए आते हैं, ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ meadow, ओके, full of flowers and trees. That means it was everywhere green there. The meadow was near a river. River मतलब नदी होती है, okay. That meadow where they used to play was near the river, मतलब नदी के पास. One day, while playing, the bee fell into the river. One day what happened? The bee, while playing with all three of them, fell into the river. मतलब वो पानी में गिर गई, नदी में गिर गई. His wings means पर होते हैं, wings got wet, okay, and could not fly. The caterpillar and grasshopper tried to help bee, but could not remove her out. But he kept again flowing. मतलब नदी कैसे होती है, पानी ऐसे बहता जाता है, ठीक है, but continuously they tried to help, but could not remove that bee out just because the water was flowing, मतलब बह रहा था. The bee was very scared. He could see a crocodile. Crocodile पता है ना, मगरमच्छ. Now what you can see, while flowing, honeybee saw one crocodile coming towards it. Then coming to eat him. They tried to get out of the water, but could not help it out. A white dove. Dove is nothing but like a pigeon type, okay. A white dove, okay, you can see in the picture also, is sitting on a mango tree. Mango is a fruit, everyone knows, yes or no? हमने सबने अभी मैंगो का सीजन खत्म हो गया, सबने मैंगो खाया है ना? Yes. So like that only, here this dove was sitting on a mango tree. She saw the bee trying to get out. That means she saw who? Dove. Dove saw that the bee is struggling so much to get out of that water. She got an idea like this. She took a leaf, मतलब पत्ता लिया, held it in the beak, मतलब अपने beak में उसको पकड़ा, okay, and then flew to the bee, मतलब वो जहाँ पानी में थी, okay, वो leaf उसने अपने मुंह में पकड़ा and then went down with that leaf. Then that bee, okay, got on that leaf, okay, and then slowly she picked up that leaf and at one of the corner she kept it there and she flew away, okay. Who? Dove flew away. Then the bee, what did the bee do? Shook himself. Shook means ऐसे. Shook himself, okay, and the wings which were there that got dried and even honeybee flew away. Then after few days what happened, okay, few days later the dove was sleeping on the tree. Now that dove also was sleeping on the tree. One day a naughty little boy, okay, like you, a naughty little girl, you always like to play, you always like to trouble, yes or no, your mama, your papa, isn't it? So here there was one boy, okay, a naughty little boy, okay, with a sling. Sling मतलब you must have know कि उसको ऐसे मारते हैं, ऐसे पत्थर रखते हैं सामने and then उसको मारते हैं, ठीक है. He had that sling. Then the bee saw him. किसने देखा? The bee, जो dove जिसकी help किया था ना dove ने, that bee, okay, saw him. And then what happened? The boy pointed his sling like this to the dove where the dove was sleeping. So just he was about to hit, मतलब वो just ऐसे उसको मारने ही वाला था. Okay, the bee bit him. What happened? The bee bite him, मतलब उसको काट लिया. हनी बी ने क्या किया? उस नॉटी बॉय को उसको काट लिया. The boy cried with pain कि उसके पैर को लग गई. Oh my God! And then he ran away, मतलब वो भाग गया. The dove thanked the bee. From that day on, all of them became very good friends. आपने देखा कि इवन आपको भी आपके फ्रेंड्स की मदद करनी चाहिए, isn't it? Yes or no? Even you should help your friends whenever they need you, whenever they want you. You should always help your friends. Not only friends, your neighbors, then your relatives, your parents, your grandparents, your teachers, isn't it? If अगर कोई इंसान ऐसा है जो नहीं भी आपके पहचान के, they need your help, you should always help them, isn't it? Okay, now children, we have seen what happened in the beginning, that they all were playing. Then in the middle what happened? That bee fell down. Okay, and what happened? The dove tried to help it and successfully, okay, the bee removed that, the dove removed that bee out. And at the end what happened? Even the bee helped dove, okay, while the naughty little boy was about to hit the dove. So children, we have learned what happened in the beginning of the story. We have learned what happened in the middle of the story. We have seen what was the end and conclusion of the story. So here I have one worksheet for you. You can see here beginning, middle and end. Okay, recall the story. That means you are going to again recall that what happened the beginning, middle and end. Think of what happens in the beginning. मतलब आपको सोचना है कि बिगिनिंग में क्या हुआ था. द बी फेल इनटू द रिवर, इजंट इट? यहाँ पे तो व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू इज यू आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ पिक्चर ऑफ द बी फॉलन इन द रिवर. मतलब आप बी का, हनी बी का एक ऐसे पिक्चर बनाओगे यहाँ पे कि वो दिखाई देना चाहिए कि वो रिवर में, मतलब पानी में गिर गई है. लीफ के साथ नहीं ड्रॉ करना है, वो सबसे एंड में है. ओके, देन द डव हेल्प द बी विथ अ लीफ. मतलब यहाँ पे डव भी आएगा, वो बर्ड भी आएगा और हनी बी भी आएगी और वो लीफ भी आएगा. ओके, लीफ के साथ उसने हेल्प की है. और नीचे आप बी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. ऊपर द डव इज फ्लाइंग यू कैन शो, एंड लीफ इन दैट डव्स माउथ यू कैन शो इन द बीक. ओके, you can show it down here. Okay, so this was the middle, okay, where the dove helped bee. Now at the end, the bee helped the dove by slinging the boy. That means आपको यहाँ पे एक boy draw करना है, एक ट्री जिसपे डव बैठा है और वो बॉय के पैर के पास हनी बी ने उसको कट किया है, बाइट किया है, वो आपको ड्रॉ करना है. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू कलर. Okay, because in the question they have not mentioned us that we have to color. Okay, we are only going to draw. It is your own creativity, children. However you draw, I am ready to welcome your drawing. Okay, not to worry, don't stress of yourself. जैसे भी आपको drawing करना आता है, जैसे आप draw कर सकते हो वैसे आप draw करो. Okay. Thank you, children. So in the today's session we have seen a new concept called story structure, beginning, middle and end of the story. Okay, so I hope you will complete this worksheet successfully. जैसे आप सारे worksheets कर रहे हो सबके लिए very good. Okay, so children, take care. Okay, take good care of yourselves. Stay home, stay safe and bye bye.